The Metapixel isn't installed on your site, your campaigns are definitely going to fail. Not even might fail, it will 100% fail. Without it, Meta can't see what happens after the click, which means no retargeting, no conversion tracking, and no data for the algorithm to work with. Without the Metapixel, you're essentially paying for traffic and then just running completely blind. The install and setup of the Metapixel only takes about 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you on screen the whole process so that you can follow step by step. I'm going to be using Google Tag Manager, and I'd recommend it for pretty much every single business. All of my clients are on Google Tag Manager. Tag Manager is one centralized spot to manage all of your marketing tags. So things like Google tracking, Meta tracking, LinkedIn tracking, that can all be set up and managed inside of Tag Manager. You don't have to stack 12 different plugins, and you don't have to constantly be updating the code on your website. And specifically for Meta, it makes your future tracking setup so much easier. Down the line, you're gonna want to set up custom conversions like phone call leads and form submissions, and you can do all of that within Tag Manager. So we want to lay the foundation right from the beginning. So jumping into the setup, we want to start by going to your Ads Manager. You want to head to the left-hand side navigation menu and click on Events Manager. If Events Manager isn't here on your screen, just click on All Tools. Once you open up All Tools, Events Manager should be sitting up here or down here. So we want to click on Events Manager, then click on Connect Data, select Web, hit Next. Then we're going to want to create a new dataset. Give it a name. In this case, I'm going to name it Example Dataset. Select on Create. Now you want to apply it to the relevant ad account. Once you do that, hit Next. In this video, we're setting up the Metapixel, so click on Set up Metapixel and then hit Next. Now, your screen might look different to mine here. Meta's already recommending Google Tag Manager for me, but if it's not for you, just click on See Other Ways to Set Up, and then you'll find Tag Manager in there. So just choose Set up Metapixel with Google Tag Manager, then hit Next. Click on Next again here, and then it's going to prompt you to log in to your Tag Manager account. So choose the login that has access to your Tag Manager account. So I'm going to choose this one here, and then it's going to start connecting your Tag Manager account. So this is a step where people often go wrong. You want to make sure you're connecting Meta to the correct Tag Manager account, especially if you have multiple Tag Manager accounts. So under Account, you want to select the relevant Tag Manager account and then the relevant container. So a notification just came up saying that I've already set up the Metapixel, which is true. We're just going to ignore that and continue with the tutorial. So just make sure you have the right account set up and the right container. Otherwise, you're going to be placing your pixel inside of a different account. Then hit Finish Setup. Now it's going to prompt you to add events using Meta's Event Setup tool. It's claiming that this is the easiest way, and it is easy, but it's just not accurate. And it often ends up breaking when you change certain things on your site. We'll be setting up events properly inside of Tag Manager, so skip this and hit Next. And then hit Finish. Perfect. Now you've completed the pixel setup. What we want to do next is jump into Tag Manager to see if Meta has actually set this up inside of your Tag Manager account. So in a separate tab, just head into Tag Manager, select the relevant account, click on Tags on the left, sort by last edited, and then you'll be able to see the Metapixel ID right here, firing on all pages, last edited 3 minutes ago. So Meta's just built that tag for you through the integration. Super simple. While you're in Tag Manager, here's the first way to check that it's actually working and firing on your site. So click on Preview up the top here, enter your site's URL, and then click on Connect. Your site will open up on debug mode, go back to Tag Assistant, click Continue here, and then you should be able to see your Metapixel has fired right here. That's confirmation that your Metapixel is now live on your site. The second check that you can do is from the Meta side this time, so you can install the Metapixel Helper Chrome extension, and then what you want to do is jump into your website, click on the Chrome extension, and you should see your Metapixel right here saying that it's active. If you click into it, you'll see that the pixel is active with a page view event firing. This means that it's been set up correctly. So what have you actually built? So right now the pixel is tracking page views. That alone switches on website retargeting. So you can now build audiences off of everybody who has visited your site. And Meta starts learning who those visitors actually are. Things like demographic details, their age, their gender, their location. What it doesn't do yet is tell you when somebody somebody takes some sort of action that's valuable to you. So whether somebody clicks on your phone number or submits a form. And that's the piece that completely transforms your campaigns, because then Meta stops optimizing for visitors and it starts optimizing for actual leads or purchases. So the next step in this process is actually telling Meta what a lead looks like on your site, whether that's a form submission or phone call, and that's exactly what the next video covers, which is how to set up conversion events inside of Tag Manager. So definitely watch that one next.